Alright, quick side-by-side on QA versus QC. Short version, QA builds it in, QC checks it. QA is proactive, the system. Policies, SOPs, training, validation, audits. QC is reactive, the testing. Assays, specs, sampling, stability. Metaphors. QA equals architect. QC equals detective. Similarities. Protect patients. Follow CGMP. Trust data. Keep audit-ready docs. Differences. QA prevents across the lifecycle. QC detects in results. QA approves systems and deviations. QC approves results to specs. Examples. QA sets procedure. QC investigates OOS. QA validates cleaning. QC swab tests. QA manages change control. QC runs the approved method. Metrics, deviation closure, kappa effectiveness, audit findings, change control cycle. Mnemonic, build, then check. If it shapes the work, QA. If it measures, QC. Together they keep patients safe. Questions? Comment below.